studying bush class in MDR branch. Now I am telling about the respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us breathe by bringing in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. In humans, our respiratory system includes nose, trachea, and lungs. Breathing in air is known as inhalation, while releasing air is known as exhalation. Carbon dioxide is the breathed out of our body. The lungs are the primary organs of the respiration. The human body has two lungs. They are situated within the thoracic cavity of the chest. The right lung is bigger than the left lung. Rib cage present in the chest cavity that protects lungs and heart. Diaphragm present below the lungs and supports the lungs. Thank you.
My name is Varshini. I am studying 7th class. Today I am going to tell about respiratory system. The respiratory system is a vital biological system that removes excess waste and waste products from the body to maintain blood and chest water levels. How does respiratory system work? Kidneys filter blood and produce urine. Ureters carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Bladder stores urine until it's time to urinate. Urethra is a tube that allows urine to pass out of the body. Other functions of respiratory systems are regulating BP, regulating RBC production, maintaining the body's water balance. What does respiratory system remove? Extra salt, excess water, nitrogenous waste products and carbon dioxide. Most of these products are in the form of urine, sweat and feces. Main respiratory organs are kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Thank you.
Hydroponic is a method of growing nutrients into water solution instead of soil. Plants provide exactly which they need when they need it. For which were plants grown in a nutrients into water solution in a agricultural environment, the roots need to be attracted, supported for growing medium. The plants also get light, heat, and also space. Benefits: water conversion. Hydroponics can save up to 90% of water for traditional farming. Land conversion. Hydroponics can reduce land needed for farming. Water conversion. Space occupation. Plants can be grown virtually, saving space, increasing productivity. Uses: hydroponics can grow fruits, vegetables, herbs, ornamental crops. Hydroponics can grow indoor, outdoor, home, apartments, green home, office space. Water soluble filterized material. Left and start to the left. The rotation of the blades. Thank you. What does the filter do? Pebbles from large particles and remove smaller particles. Charcoal absorbs impurities, cotton gases and burning particles. What does the project demand? Adverbs.
Adjectives, adverbs.
Voice bound. Amma, say.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sri President studying for class 8. My topic name is kinds of adverbs. The word is respect. The verb is called an adverb. Most of them end in adverb. The adverb may also describe an adjective or another adverb. Adverb of time tells us when something is happened or is happening. Example: afterwards, now, then, yesterday, already, etc. They moved to the new house last year. He visited the supermarket last month. The dog slept all the night. And next phrase tenses where something is happened or is happening. Example: always, they played outdoors all day. The dog rolled over the
Photosynthesis.
Explain.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ashwini. I am studying third class. Today I am telling about photosynthesis. We translate the food with the help of our favorite liquid using water, soil, and carbon dioxide from air in the presence of sunlight. This process called photosynthesis. Photo means light, and synthesis means putting together made of natural food factories. Green plants are called producers.
Show this one and explain, okay?
Photosynthesis. Chlorophyll present. Green parts absorb light energy. This light energy is used to spill water into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is then used to reduce carbon dioxide into carbon rings, typically glucose. Chlorophyll essential for chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis and storage intake of carbon dioxide. Thank you.
Can you explain this? Explain this one.
Thank you.
Topic name is fundamental. I am thrilled to be here and to share my project Fundamental Rights. They are basic law with a set of rules of a country which show the nature of a country, and duties and rights of all citizens. All citizens is called a constitution. There are 95 articles and 22 laws and 8 schedules are there. And fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights. Enshrined in the they are applied without discrimination. They are applied without discrimination. Is called they are applied without discrimination. This is very funny.
Shall I call mummy? Not is taking it on. You got lunch? Lunch?
Example, the red father, common law, general class of people, animal, things. That the chair, material, wheel, material, nouns for another things. Wall, shop, compound noun. Compound noun is a compound two or more. Example, I cut out, lie down. Here the thing, hand the bag, hand the collective nouns are The goat and deer. Noun. The tree. Noun. Common noun. A boy. Common noun.
Types of nouns.
A house. Common noun. A car. Common noun. Wonderful noun. There are three shops. There are three shopmen.
This is what? What's the name of this? What's the name of this? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Take this very neatly, dark girl.
Say hi.
There's a voice.
Process of communication involves sending and receiving messages.
Right.
Okay, explain this.
As two types, verbal means spoken and written form. Non-verbal means gestures, pictures, sound signs and signals. Need of communication is a basic individual or social need to know about people and places. Personal communication. Needs of communication meant for individual or personal communication. Mass communication. Needs of communication involves a large number of people or in general it's called mass communication. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Ancient communication, telecommunication, satellite communication, GPS, postal communication, right or type of document such as postcards and letters and parcels are delivered to next destination through a network of office. Survey type speed post, courier survey, DHL, television, FLUDA, telecommunication means of electronic transmission of large means are landphones, fax, mobile. In order to relay television, radio and telephone signals for a communication satellite. GPS, Global Positioning System, standard basic navigation system.
Plastic.
వచ్చి వీళ్ళిద్దరిని మదర్ అండ్
Go to lunch.
show that Ma, show that show
Say hi.
say hi, stand up. Function please. Nice. Show. Say hi.
बिल्ली, बकरी, गाय, घोड़ा, गधा, ऊंट, खरगोश, बतख, मुर्गा। बिल्ली पालतू जानवर है। बकरी हमें खाना देती है। गाय हमें
Hold. Very nice.
सप्ताक्षर और विपक्षर दो या दो से ज्यादा अक्षरों के मिलने से शब्द बनते हैं। ये सप्ताक्षर शब्द है।
Say hi.
These are domestic animals.
मेरा नाम रियान पटनायक है। मैं चौथी कक्षा पढ़ता हूँ और जानवर के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। जैसे कि शेर जो कल का राजा है। चीता बहुत तेज दौड़ता है। हाथी बहुत बड़ा जानवर है। भालू गुफा में रहता है। 12 सिंघा के सबसे ऊपर 12 सिंह होते हैं। राइनो के नाक के ऊपर एक सिंह होता है। एक सिंह होता है। ज़ीब्रा के पूरे शरीर
बोलो। Hi. Say. There's the voice.
Good boys, education,